Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. Okay, let's start. Create a new file. Okay, create a new body, create a new sketch. We first need to create these features. We select exit play, create a circle, dimension 60, leave the sketch 40, height 40. Okay, next we create this part. Create new sketch, then we select exit play, external geometry, select this circle, hide the part. Okay, constraint. Constraint tangent. Perpendicular. We need the arc 45, 20, 100, point to line, 100. Why not? $150, 50. Is point to line. $50. $100. Create arc. Make two arcs equal. Leave the sketch. Then we pipe 20. Where is it not closed? Okay, we need to come back. Double click. Hide the part. Not close. see that. Leave the sketch. Part 20. Here, dimension. Okay. Next, we need to create this circle. So we select this face, create a datum plane. Okay. We select this datum plane, create a new sketch. External geometry, select this edge, create circle, concentrate, symmetrical. 40. Leave the sketch. Part. Reversed. Dimension tab up to face. We need to select this face. Okay. Hide the datum plane. Next, we create this part. So, create new sketch. Oh, sorry. Delete. We select YZ plane. Then external geometry this circle. Then we hide the part. Create solid. Make the point onto the line. Point onto the line. Sorry. Select this arc. Change reference. Create a line. Close the sketch. Dimension is 50. 50. Leave the sketch. Then we part 35. Okay. Next, we create this hole. Create new sketch. Then we select SD plane. We need to hide the part. Create a circle. Create a rectangle. Constraint symmetrical. Dimension. Here is no dimension. We give 21. Twice. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab slow all. Reversed. Okay. Next, we create this face on this face, this hole. So we create new sketch. Select YZ plane. External geometry this arc. Then we hide the pocket. Create a circle. Dimension 7.5. Leave the sketch. Then we pocket. Dimension tab through all. Okay, the direction we need reversed. Next, we create this hole 20. So we need show the datum plane. Select this plane and create new sketch. External geometry. Select this arc. create circle 20. Leave the sketch, runway pocket, dimension tab through all. Okay. Hide the datum play. We finished this part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.